Yeah. Big party, big party.
Okay, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. You good people, you good men and the women, you good grandma, you good people. Yeah, today is the is on Saturday. Yeah, today is on Saturday. So welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And today you will see amazing film here. Yeah. So guys, kindly show love. Continue showing love by subscribing. Continue showing your love by commenting. Continue showing love by putting their sweet comments. Yeah, and the guys, you know, you are good people of me, you are good people of us. Yeah, kindly the way you really support us as a YouTubers. We're really happy here in village. You know, I'm in Nyabohanse village right now. I'm in the Bryant's home today. As you can see, today is on Saturday. So today is the day which we are going to, I think tomorrow will be a party here. So kindly guys, today we are doing some cleanness. As you can see, the wall is already completed. So tomorrow is a very big party here. Tomorrow we'll have here a very big party. Yeah, that's why you see we are very busy here cleaning. We are very busy here cleaning. Kindly guys, yeah, wherever you are watching from, wherever you are watching from, okay, kindly guys, watch till the end, because today this video is amazing, very amazing, because we are in the final touches. As I told you that today is the second final. Okay, can I say second final day? Because tomorrow will be the last day. Tomorrow will be the last day here, and then you can see up there is a big, many people there doing some cleanness. Others there they are doing their yeah man, I'm good. Yeah, okay. I was talking with my friend here. He's taking breakfast, you know me, I have already taken my breakfast. I take fast, yeah, and then I come to work. So guys, as you can see, there is a lot of people there. They are doing some final touches of building the wall. Yeah, they are in the final touches. So guys, kindly, whichever you are, wherever you are, okay, wherever you are, whichever what you are doing, okay, I'm saying that thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. You have really supported me, guys. You're good people. I love you, my supporters. I love you the way you have subscribing to my channel. Kindly guys, if it's your time, it's the first time to see me, if it's your first time to enter my channel, please kindly subscribe, please subscribe, and I will really enjoy to see that my subscriber have added. Yeah. You know, here we are all team Marwa. So we are here all team Marwa from Nyabohanse. Yeah, we are here just I can't say me here. I'm a volunteer here. I'm volunteering so that we see how will it conclude. You know, our mission will complete tomorrow. Yeah, so we are in the hurry doing some final touches. You know, we are in the hurry doing some final touches here. Okay guys, as you can see. So guys, yeah, so guys, kindly come with me and enjoy. Come with me and enjoy. Today you will enjoy this vlog. It's a very nice vlog because today I have already today I have already see like the day will be good. Let me go up there where they are taking breakfast. Yeah, where they are taking breakfast, and me I've already take my breakfast, so I'm going to show you what are they taking today. What are they taking today? As you can see, everyone here is busy. Everyone here is busy eating breakfast. Is busy taking breakfast here. So guys, kindly come with me. Come with me. And you will enjoy. You will enjoy, guys. Yeah, as you can see, I've already reached. I've already arrived here. You can see. Yeah, they have seated a group of people taking breakfast. So I'm going to show you. The breakfast is very nice. Yeah, today's breakfast I'm going to show you. It's a githeri and a strong tea. Very nice one. A very strong breakfast. Very heavy breakfast, guys. Yeah. Yo.
Yes.
You can see you are busy here taking breakfast.
Yeah, this food is good.
This is githeri.
Yeah.
A very heavy breakfast. Yeah, here is a miles. Is miles. Khalifa miles, as you can see.
Miles. So today we are taking githeri.
Githeri
is a mixture of beans
and the groundnut. But
it's a mixture of maize and beans.
Maize and the beans and the groundnut and carrots and everything. Hey, this githeri is very amazing. You can see here people is very busy taking. How are you?
I'm fine.
I can see you have already finished.
I'm finished.
You don't joke with the food.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm here. You can see even Brian have already finished. Brian.
Yeah. Uncle.
Call me Uncle Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, Brian.
Yeah.
I can see you have already finished your food.
Yeah.
You don't joke with the githeri.
No.
Why you fear camera?
No, I don't fear.
Okay, great people here.
Hello guys, welcome for
Jamaican Boy Africa.
What?
Okay, you can call me Uncle, you know. Yeah, call me Uncle.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle channel.
Yeah, man.
Watch.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment.
Yeah.
And share.
And you have said that today is the final day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll be having here a very big party.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm here. You know, today I'm here volunteering.
Yeah.
And today I'm going to today and tomorrow I'm going to be MC. Will you have a system here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to be MC.
Yeah.
So let me vlog now. What are you doing now? Yeah.
I welcome you.
But people tell me that when I meet you, I make a good story with you.
Yeah.
So if you are busy now, I'm going to find you later and we sit down and talk about school and the future, okay? Yeah. Let me show people how people taking here breakfast.
The village boys.
Yeah, village Toto. You can see they are busy here taking, yeah? This githeri. This is the style of sitting while eating githeri, you know? Yeah, the style of sitting while eating githeri. This is very nice style of sitting. Yeah, man. As I have told you that here in Africa we really sit in a group while eating, not sitting on when you are one person. No. Yo, man. I can see you have already finished. Yeah, you don't joke with the food.
For sure. Chop.
It's chop, yeah? Yeah, man. How are you, bro?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay, me too, I'm fine. Yeah.
I'm just eating my githeri.
I can see.
And the black tea.
And the black tea.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. What's your name?
My name is I am Ken God.
Okay.
That's my YouTube channel name.
Okay.
So for Jamaican community, Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican Boy Africa.
Yeah. Kindly feel free to come and visit me on my channel.
Okay.
I'm also a poster.
Yeah, these the utensils. Yeah, which people used to take. Yeah, people used to take. Yeah. I'm going to take you around, guys. I'm going to take you around the site and show you what is going on here. Yeah, you know it's good when you see what is going on. The way I've tell you that today is the final touches. Yeah, these blocks here they are doing for finishing the wall. Yeah, bro. This will do the wall today. Itatumika leo. Mpaka kesho. Okay, I'm asking if this one is going to use today, but he has tell me that it's for tomorrow. Yeah, it's for tomorrow. So guys, we are here. Yeah, it's Kizo. Here it's Kizo. Yeah, Kizo.
Yes.
How are you, bro?
I'm fine, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see here.
Yeah.
You are here relaxing.
Yeah, I'm relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And did you take the breakfast? Have you taken the breakfast? Why? Eh? You don't want? You know, last day you tell me that you don't eat.
What did I did? I'm not cheating. You
don't why? Okay. And why? I can see your stomach is somehow big. Why? And
this is just a cloth.
Oh, it's a cloth.
Yeah. I have
Okay.
6 packs, not that much.
Oh, it's a 6-pack.
Yeah. Just be like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you really tell me that you don't eat. You don't eat breakfast, lunch, and supper. Or how many do you take meal?
I have 1 meal in a day.
One. Hey.
Supper only.
Hey, 1 meal a day.
Yeah.
Hey, Kizo.
Yeah, that is enough for me.
But I think you are unajitesa bwana.
No. It will just self-discipline.
Is the self-discipline.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, me here with Kizo. Kizo, my friend. With a very, very, very nice story.
Yeah.
So, Kizo, you tell me that you don't eat. You eat just only once a day.
Once in a day.
Okay.
At night.
Yeah. At night only?
At night only, yeah.
Only?
Only, yeah.
My friend, me, I have
food,
okay, you know, me too, I'm not after food, but I really take lunch in a day. I really take a meal two times. 2 times, and I really take water for every time.
You see, even the Bible says that man shall not live on bread alone.
On a bread?
Alone, yeah.
But there is no bread here.
It is not
bread.
It is not a bread as you see it like a bread.
Yeah.
Bread means food. Yeah.
Oh, bread means food.
Bread means food. And Bible says that man shall not live on food alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to tell
if
me?
you concentrate on food,
yeah,
then you are lost.
No, man. You know you have to eat.
It is not a must to eat. It is not a must.
Why you are saying that you don't eat, and I can see you have a very good body here, and mine is very small.
That is God's favor. Neema ya Mungu. God's favor.
It's God's favor. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, guys, here I'm with Kizo. You tell me, Kizo.
Yeah.
You know there is a day you tell me that you don't take shower.
Yeah, I don't.
You are really telling the truth.
I know we have a lot of factors that may lead to that.
Yeah.
You know, right now we are in cold seasons.
Okay, cold season.
You know what?
Is it summer or winter? Or is it rain season?
Whichever the case.
Okay.
You know, during this time, rain is just raining anytime.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of cold, so you must, protect your body.
Okay.
Yeah, and again, I must protect my black color.
Okay.
You know, when I take bath every time,
yeah,
I can even turn into white. I can turn into white. So I don't want to bleach my color.
Okay.
I want to maintain this black.
You want to maintain the black color.
And lastly, I don't like wasting money.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, when I'm bathing every day, I waste my soap. and I go back to the shop to buy another soap. So I don't want to waste my soap. You understand?
Okay, so you mean when you take shower each and every day, you really
my soap is getting over.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like wasting soap.
So is wasting of to shower every day is wasting of money.
Of course.
And the shop.
Yeah.
But you
Not
can
shop. We have shop and we have soap.
Oh, soap.
Yeah, soap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kizo, me I really take bath.
Or if you can pay me, I can take bath.
You must be paid.
Yes, you can pay me, I take bath.
Yeah. You can see guys here. Yeah, this one is have come with the water. It's a tuk-tuk. Yeah. So you say that when I pay you, you can take shower.
Because
yeah,
I can go that I'm going to take shower, then
you go.
I get heart attack and I die. So I better die with my money and I better die with my money and my pocket.
Okay.
Yeah.
You really make me happy. Yeah. You say that if I pay you, you can take shower.
If you pay me, I can take shower.
If I cannot pay, you can't shower. Okay, you really take shower how many times a week?
I take shower twice in a month.
Twice a month? Hey, Kizo, hey.
And that is only if I want to go to church. You cannot go to church when you are dirty.
So
if
in a month you go church at two times a month.
It depends. When I'm busy, I go twice. When I'm not busy,
you go each and every Sunday. So you mean every Sunday you take a bath?
Not really.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can do passport. You can just do like this passport. You wash your hands,
okay.
Wash your face.
Yeah.
And then the remaining part you close with your clothes.
Okay.
Yeah. It is good to be smart.
Yeah, it's good to be smart, but why you can't be smart while you change the clothes and you have not bath but you change your clothes. It's not good.
Why? How?
Because you will be even smell. Yeah?
No, but
because you work. You are. I can see you are a hardworking boy. So
let me tell you, is that smell good or bad?
Smell is bad.
How bad? How? If it was bad, God would have not given us the smell. God knows the reason why He gave us that smell. You see?
But I think that smell comes from the sweat. When you work,
it is good if you sweat. It is good.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's good when you sweat.
My friend,
yeah.
God cannot give you a bad thing. God gives you a good thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good thing.
Sweat and smell is good things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everything that is nature is good.
Yeah,
so you advise me when I came from job, I do passport to the.
Just wash your hands.
My hands.
So that when you are eating, you don't eat germs.
Okay. Yeah. Hands only.
And make sure you don't waste that water.
Okay.
Yeah. And the soap. If you have a small soap of 20 shillings, it can serve you for a whole year. Because you just do it once in a month.
And how have clothes? Do you change the clothes?
Yes, I do change the clothes.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I cannot wear one cloth every day.
Okay. Now is that cloth? Do you wash after changing?
Sometimes.
Sometimes you change.
Yeah.
Sometimes you wash. Sometimes you keep it like that.
Like being an African.
Yeah.
One cloth you can wear it for 2 weeks without washing. Yeah, that is why I always wear black cloth. You see this black cloth?
Yeah, of course, with the blue gumboot.
Yeah.
Yeah, but since I came here, I do saw you with this.
Yes. Do you know at what time I wash them?
Hey,
do you know?
I don't know.
Yes. So that is it.
So you don't wash, and you have even you have even finished like 1 month with this cloth here.
This cloth is still clean.
And do you wash your gumboot?
Gumboots?
Yeah.
Why should I wash my gumboots?
Because inside, inside the gumboot is it's really become dirty.
Not really.
The leg is here. Okay. You have socks.
Yeah, I'm having socks.
Okay.
Yeah, but the problem, they don't have here.
Okay.
This my leg halfway is out of socks. Halfway. Or you want me to show you?
It's halfway. Yeah, show me.
No, I can't.
Show.
Pay me first. Pay me.
No. Hey, you like paying?
Yeah. Nothing is for free, my friend.
Everything.
Are you working here for free?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing is for free. No. Nothing is for free. Pay me. Then I
you show me.
Yes.
Okay.
How much? I remove my leg.
Remove. I'm gonna pay you if I saw
7 chapatis right now.
Yes, but you know tomorrow is a party.
No.
I can give you that one. That mine for tomorrow.
I didn't ask you about tomorrow. I'm saying give me 7 chapatis. I do
7 chapati right now.
Right now.
You know now there is no chapati here. You like chapati?
Mura.
You like chapati?
You are joking. You are joking.
Yeah?
You are joking.
You like chapati?
Are you interrogating me or are you giving me chapati?
No. Now you know a chapati here now. Now where is chapati? Show me and then
bring with motorbike.
Okay, go and bring with the motorbike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remove.
Okay, so Kizo, you know today is the second last day.
Yeah, sure.
We call it that way. Yeah. Second last.
Yeah. Tomorrow is the D-Day.
Tomorrow is a big day.
The D, not big, D-Day.
Oh, tomorrow is the D-Day.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're gonna eat everything.
Tomorrow expect anything.
Okay.
Yeah, anything can happen.
Anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I have seen some. I saw horse. I saw horse of Boss Maro here. You know, I have never seen a horse.
You never seen a horse?
Yes.
What do you mean?
I have never
How?
seen a horse. Today is my first day.
Horse?
Yeah.
And there is nothing I can say with you. How come you never seen a horse, my friend?
You know, I'm from a village, bro.
Even
No, in a village there is no horse.
I live with the horse in the home every day. In home.
You know horse. I do see the horse in a TV. Yeah.
I cannot make stories with somebody who has never seen a horse. Just leave me.
Okay, Kizo. Okay.
Leave me alone.
Now we shall meet. Okay. Yeah, man. So I'm going to take you around. Yeah, man. I'm going to take you around the compound. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, people is very busy here working. Fadera,
Yeah,
how are you? Yeah, I can see this Biggie. Biggie.
Yo. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, how are you, Big? Have you taken breakfast?
We took a long time ago.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I can
right
see
now,
here you are busy here.
Yeah, right now we are doing blocks.
Yeah.
Because we expect by tomorrow we should have enough blocks for the security wall.
Yes.
Oh,
okay, the wall have not yet completed.
Yes.
Okay.
At the same time they are putting the lentils.
All the rentals to the wall.
To the wall, you can see.
Okay, can see.
Here we are technically at the department of blocks.
Yeah.
So hopefully by evening we should be having like 2,000 to 3,000 blocks.
Okay. This Big, what's your name there in? Do you have a channel?
Yes, bro. Why
okay.
Not? So my channel name is Emmanuel Akama.
Emmanuel
Akama. So
yeah.
People can go there, check my videos. I do most of travel vlogs, documentary stories, and also you can check me out on Facebook page Emmanuel Akama.
Yeah.
TikTok, Instagram.
Everywhere.
Bro, I'm everywhere. Everywhere, like
I can see you. Your stomach is very full. You are satisfied.
Yeah, I'm everywhere like bacteria.
Oh, you're like bacteria.
Yeah, bro. You know, I've taken a good breakfast.
A heavy breakfast.
Heavy.
Cold.
We've taken black tea and the mixture of maize and beans, of which here in Africa we call it githeri.
Githeri.
And this food is more like popular when you go to the central part of Kenya.
Okay, central part.
The Kikuyu,
okay.
Yes.
Kikuyu.
Yes, you know, yeah. Kikuyu love githeri.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
This is how you want. Mura, this is how you want.
Yeah. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I can see you, Jamaican boy.
Yeah. Hi.
What's up, niggas?
What's up, Jamaican
What's up,
boy
niggas?
Africa? Jamaican
No,
boy
how far?
Africa.
How far?
So far. It reminds me of days back when I was a young boy
In Chicago.
man.
In Chicago. Chicago is in Africa.
No.
It's not in Africa, man.
But this one was in Chicago before he was born.
Chicago is
Yes.
in America.
In
You
America?
mean you born when before you born you are in Chicago?
Not before I was born.
Eh.
I was born and raised in Chicago.
Oh,
Then I came to Kenya to see how things are going.
You know, we're in
came
Chicago.
Chicago.
We stay there in Chicago behind the, you know that the supermarket?
Yeah.
Near the M-Pesa. So,
In Chicago we don't have M-Pesa, my friend.
In Chicago, no M-Pesa there.
I was living in a Hyde Park.
In a Hyde Park.
Somewhere called Hyde Park in Chicago. You wanted to know the address?
yeah.
Okay, I was living in Hyde Park in Chicago,
Yeah.
East 53rd Street.
Yeah.
My friend, stop laughing. Who are you? Mura.
Mura, you are lying.
I'm not lying. My friend.
So
I
you
was
say.
born in Chicago, man.
So Kizo, you say that you come from Chicago to Africa. In which year? In which year?
In early 19th century.
You are ahead of time.
Ahead of time how?
Yes.
Now we are in 21st century.
So you came in
19th century.
Alright guys, Kizo, how are you?
I'm good.
Our boy from Chicago.
I want you to ask me
A boy from
2
Chicago.
questions.
Yes.
Then you will ask me 3 questions.
Okay.
Yeah, chap.
You start with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready for the feast?
Very
Tomorrow's
much.
feast?
I don't take chapati. I'm sorry, I don't take chapati.
You don't take chapati.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we are ready for the party for tomorrow. That's why also we're making here blocks for the lentils and perimeter work.
Yeah.
We want your grandma to have good security at most. And so today I'm in a apartment block. Yes.
Another block.
We want to make at least 1,000 or 2,000, even more.
Wow.
Yes.
So how prepared are you?
Much prepared, 100% prepared.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for being there.
So guys, check me out. My name is Emmanuel Akama.
Actually, yesterday I saw you in my premium.
Bro, I'm always, bro.
Really?
I'm always.
Really, nigga?
I'm always.
Really, nigga?
I'm always, bro. You're my G. So guys, gonna check me out at Emmanuel Akama.
Yeah.
Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok.
Thank you so much.
Even Twitter or X.
Yeah.
Even eggs.
Even
What
X.
about you?
Emmanuel Akama.
Me have you have told me that
2 questions from
2 questions.
3.
3
At
questions.
least 4.
Okay, 4.
Or maybe 5. What are you laughing at?
Okay. My question is very fun. My question is very fun.
Be serious, I don't want fun.
Okay, so let me ask you that. Have you prepared for tomorrow? That's my first question.
I'm much prepared.
Okay. And we really tell the story there, and you tell me that you eat just once a day
I eat
and
once
only
a
night.
day. Yeah.
Will tomorrow will you take a meal, any meal here at yeah,
Me, I eat once in a day, only at night.
at night?
Yeah.
So you mean you will take only night's meal?
Okay.
Day meal will not
let me
take.
say
You know,
this.
I'm talking about the patio.
I'm seeing you're trying to track me.
Yeah.
I know what is your plan. You want me to say that I don't want food so that tomorrow you can eat my food. My friend, tomorrow I've just said that I'm ready for everything.
For everything.
Yeah, tomorrow
You will take.
I will take.
You will.
Guys, you see how we always struggle to hold the camera. How do you feel in your hand there?
Hey, my hand is very. Here. Here.
Yeah.
I'm feeling very pain because holding the camera with my hand here, I'm feeling very pain because it's
Hey, a lot of goodies are coming. Let me go and see.
vlog. Yeah, a lot.
Goodies are coming.
Okay. A lot of goods.
How are you? I'm good.
Ready Rindima here.
What is this?
Yeah.
Irish potato.
And 20 liters of cooking oil.
This is the preparation of tomorrow part.
Yeah.
How are you, bro?
I'm good.
I can see
I'm
here.
Peter Masare.
Okay.
I'm a transporter.
Okay, transporter.
Yeah, if you can see,
Let me fungua for you. Let me fungua
So
for you.
this is Royco.
Yeah, Royco.
Is Royco here?
Make things to be sweet.
I can see.
Tomorrow we have a lot of chapati.
Tomorrow is another day, my friend.
This is a preparation of tomorrow.
This is for chips or what?
Chips. Yeah, chips and the boiled.
Very good. Guys, very good preparation for the big part tomorrow.
This is a
Yeah.
For the big part
This is Royco cube. This is Royco cube.
the Masare. I'm a YouTube
Yeah.
and I'm a transporter in this side. You can see. Already I have Rindima here. Rindima for Sehemu.
What is Rindima Masa?
Rindima is coming. We have reached. Rindima reaching there.
Okay,
That
rich.
place. Yeah.
Okay, it's a local language.
Yeah. We have Rindima in this
Place. Okay.
So I want to remove this.
Yes.
Show you.
Can I take? Okay, let me touch for you the bike.
You know, in Africa,
Let me
you have to
let me
have
touch for you.
energy and the power.
Yeah,
You know?
energy and the power. Yeah.
Yeah. Power.
Irish
power.
potato.
No, this one is power. It's not the power.
It's a
Power.
strength.
Yeah,
Strength.
strong. You have to be strong.
Yeah. It's not Madaraka power.
Yeah, it's not Madaraka. Like,
So what's your name, transporter?
Simshikia hapa tu.
my name is Peter Masare.
Nimemshikia.
Masare.
Peter Masare. I'm a transporter.
Mtoto.
You touch there,
Okay.
you have
Hey, this boy, you know,
having
he's
power.
a watchman here, so he must have a power here.
Yeah. Not
It's
the
a
power for
security.
Madaraka.
These are security guys. You guys. But I saw boys complaining about Panga was stolen here, and you are security. Okay, guys. Here the things is here now.
Let me tie my Peter.
Are you going back?
Yeah, I'm going back.
To bring other things.
Now I'm going for rice muchere.
Okay, rice and the muchere.
Muchere is rice. So I'm going for rice and the fruits.
Fruits.
Yeah.
Okay, fruits.
Fruits. Yeah.
Fruits and
Muchere is rice.
this one is Irish potato, isn't it? How much is this one? It's somebody's Irish potato.
Yeah.
How much is this one? If somebody is wanting to Nairobi, maybe abroad.
I don't know the price.
You just
Maybe you ask.
This is a transporter.
Maybe you.
The work of transporter is
know.
transporting.
Yeah.
the transporter can be a broker. Even the transporter can be a broker.
Can be a broker. Okay.
There is a place you can be a broker, not here.
No shortcut here.
Yeah, no shortcut here.
Okay, Masada. Let me go around the house now. Let me show you guys what is really. How is the house? How is the house, man? Let me show you how is the house, man. Yeah. I'm going to show you. Yeah. The work is completed. Yeah, you know. Yo, how are you? Okay.
Yes.
Are you an engineer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Busy working. I can see here. Hey, you have do a very amazing battery here.
Yes.
Wow. These are kabati, guys. Amazing. I'm good. Yeah. How is you?
I'm good.
Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Jarongo Plumber.
Okay.
Yes, as you can see here.
Okay,
Yes, that is my
Jarongo Plumber.
Jarongo Plumber.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
So I just urge our viewers just to subscribe my channel Jarongo Plumber
Yeah.
so that I can reach at a higher place.
Of
as
course.
you can see, until this time,
Yeah.
the subscribers are low. Just have a look.
Yeah, man.
So how can you? I need just a help. Or you can help me increase the number of subscribers.
Yeah, guys, you can see he has 65 subscribers.
Just imagine.
Yeah, 23 videos.
Yes.
So kindly, guys, go and search for Jarongo Plumber. Jarongo Plumber. Kindly go and search Jarongo Plumber, and please subscribe. Show love by subscribing. You know, when they subscribe, that's a big love.
Yes.
Yeah, you are subscribed, you are loved.
I want to tell our viewers that,
Yeah.
But by this time we are doing modern.
Yeah.
If you contact Jarongo Plumber,
Yeah.
you will get modern work.
Okay.
As you can see here, we have a cabinet.
A very good, a very sweet. We call it sweet. We call it
Kitchen
sweet.
cabinet.
Sweet kitchen cabinet.
Yes.
A very nice one.
Yes.
A very nice
And,
one.
I know many people are wondering, why is this guy using Jarongo Plumber?
Yeah. Why?
And he is showing us kitchen cabinets.
Yeah.
Okay, Jarongo Plumber,
Yeah.
I'm neutral.
You are neutral.
But my work that has made me to stay in the town is plumbing.
Okay.
I'm doing plumbing.
You do plumbing of pipe.
Yes.
You okay?
Piping
of tank. Okay, those tank water. You deal with the water.
Yes, underground water tank, biodigester.
Okay.
And septic.
And the septic tank.
Yes, but someone he loves himself.
Yeah.
What is the difference between biodigester and a septic tank?
Yeah.
A septic tank
is
that one that you can dig a hole of 12 by 15 feet.
Okay.
And a biodigester is that one that you can dig, just imagine, just a 5 feet.
5 feet.
5 feet.
Okay.
5 by 6. And it cannot be full even on a single day. And it isn't a single day. You will call that exhauster.
Okay.
To remove the waste. So contact Jarongo Plumber. My WhatsApp number is +254.
Yeah.
75742.
Yeah, man.
17.
Jalongo Plumber. I think Jalongo, that name come from Luo. Are you a Luo?
I'm from Rongo.
Okay.
I'm calling myself Rongo. Yes.
Jarongo.
Yes.
Rongo is a place.
Yes. In Migori County. In Kenya.
In Africa.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
So guys, kindly go and search Jarongo Plumber and subscribe. Show love by subscribing. Watch to the end. Okay, you know when you subscribe, we say that's love.
Yes.
When you comment there, you are sweet comment. You know, you guys, you are good people. You are good people. You really support us.
Imagine one of my viewers asked me when I was doing a couple and shower. I think it is on my channel. But what about hot water?
Okay.
The question ran into my mind. What is this man trying to mean? Meaning, it did not understand with the way I was doing it, because on the loop you just one stand.
Okay.
Yes, but we have a mixer up there. So contact the plumber to learn more, to get knowledge, even to live modern life.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let
me go around now the house and I show my people how is the progress of the house. Guys, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. See how the kitchen looks beautiful. Very nice kitchen. You know, even me, I don't have such a beautiful kitchen like this. But one day I will have.
We will make it for you.
Yeah, man. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is the bedroom. This is the drawing bedroom. Okay, yeah, man. This is the sitting room. This is the sitting room. You can see very nice sitting room here. Wow. This is a nice flower, guys. Wow, very nice flower. Wow, it looked like a rekendo. We call it rekendo here in village. Yeah. Okay, let me show you what they are trying to install inside the bedroom of a grandma. Okay, guys. Yeah, here I'm going around the house. As you can see, Woza, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. How is it? What's your name?
My name is Mansa Zulu.
Okay.
can check me out on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
Thank you, Jamaican boy.
Yeah.
Give me this chance.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
I'm going to fetch water.
You are going to fetch what? Do you have a channel?
Yes.
Okay. What's your
Channel
name?
name is Masazul.
Masazul. Masazul, guys.
Masazul, I can show you.
Yeah, sure.
Let me show you quick.
Yeah, guys, this is my friend too. You know, here in site, everyone is my friend. You can just imagine. Everyone here is my friend, and I feel happy to meet all my friends. I really feel happy to meet.
So you can see my channel.
Yeah, Masazul, guys. Hey, here they can't sing. Okay, guys, as you can see here, Masazul. Put the lights this way, and yeah, guys, kindly go and search Masazul. Yeah.
Thank you, Jamaican.
Yeah, thank you. He's my friend, guys.
Thank you.
He's my friend, and I really love the way he works here inside. You know, today is the final day.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow will be the party here.
Yeah.
So, guys, kindly, please go and check Masazul. Subscribe. Show love by subscribing. You know, when you subscribe our channels, you showed love to us.
Yeah.
We love you. Our guys, we love you. We love you. We love the way you support us.
Yeah,
Thank you, bro. Okay, now guys, let me take you around the compound. Yeah, this is around the compound. Guys, you can see this is a toilet. Yeah, this is a toilet, guys. Yeah, man. So you can see the progress of the wall too. The wall here is it has been builded, and I can see they have this is the wall, and this man here is busy.
Yes,
He's busy working here.
I am busy.
What are you doing?
I am cutting, they are called six. I'm cutting the six. Six.
Or six.
Sita.
Or sita. Six.
So they call it six.
Okay.
I was told by the fundi that's their name.
Okay.
So I'm cutting then supplying them to fundis from the other side.
Oh, from the other side. This
side,
six is for what now?
This six is for making sure that the two timbers are in a good contact so that they can not separate when you are pouring the mixture of sand and gravel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's what I'm doing. Guys, this is Ken Gore. I am Ken Gore.
I think you... Are you a fundi too?
I'm not a fundi, I'm a handman.
Oh, you're a handman?
Yes. So the fundi has instructed me to do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I don't know what's the thing.
But do you know how to use a laptop? Yeah.
I used to do computer. You know,
You learn in school.
I'm very mjanja.
You've studied computer packages.
Yes, here.
Just like
Oh,
me.
yo, I haven't taken. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, man.
That is for thumbnails.
That is it.
That is it.
So, can you record a video with the laptop?
Yes, it also recording. The video is here.
How much is a laptop? Maybe
Okay, let's
lastly.
go. The video already started.
Oh, hello guys.
yes.
Hello guys.
What's up,
Yeah,
guys?
man.
Jamaican boy there.
Is KC over here?
Yes.
And my popo.
Yeah, I'm here, man. Oh, seriously, I see myself, guys, on
On the laptop. In the laptop. Hey.
You know, guys, here we are a village.
You can
We are a village boy.
Yeah, man. What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
Here we are with my popo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
For the first time, guys, we make a video with a laptop.
It was just an example.
No, don't close for us.
Ah.
We want to feel good.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's KC over here.
The first laptop in the site.
Yeah.
Hey, my friend.
First laptop in the site.
I own a laptop. I record video with my laptop. For sure. Not phone, yes.
You'll just work with it.
How do you feel?
Every.
I'm in heaven, man. I'm in heaven.
Yeah, you know, to have a laptop is amazing.
Hiyo kwanza connect na wifi. Ukuleta account yako hapa. Video call unaweka unapigia watu.
So this man now is recording with
You can do your live.
Yes, live stream. Yeah.
You record. You edit your videos.
Yeah,
In
man.
fact, I have a mic which I
This is the old toilet. What? There's someone inside. See? As you can see here, the
Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican boy, Africa.
What's up?
What's up, man?
So we are doing the incubators.
Incubator.
Incubators.
Or incubators.
Potatoes.
Oh, potato. Okay, this is the rental.
Lentils.
Yeah, man. Well, but I don't see the what? D10.
D10.
Yeah.
Me
Or you will just pour here what concrete.
Kongoro.
Concrete.
It's called Kongoro.
You know, guys,
Concrete.
concrete. Okay, you see the fund there, the engineer there is busy, and these miles here is
Concrete. Concrete, guys.
So this is the wall.
Yeah.
This is the rental of the wall. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me go around and see. So guys, you know, guys, you have been my friend. You have been my friend. Yeah. So I'm going to say that thank you for everything. Thank you because you have been my friend. Thank you because you are thank you because of your support. You really love me, and I really love the way you are supporting me. And let me say that everything that is good comes from the God. Yeah, for me, I believe that everything which is good, everything which is shown love, everything like with the love, everything which is good, it comes from God, guys. So here is the end of the wall, perimeter wall. Here is the end of perimeter wall. Yeah. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you because you really support me. I like the way you really support me. I like the way you are I like the way you have been my friend. Yeah, I like the way you watching my video. I'm really happy. I'm really happy because you have been my supporter. You have been supporting me. You have been supporting me till I have reached 2,000 subscribers. Rotting to 3,000 guys. 3,000 guys, support me to reach 3,000 subscribers. I will be happy. I will be happy. I will be very, very happy, guys. So kindly, guys, please support me. Support my channel to grow. And I love the way you are supporting me each and every. Okay, guys, now the way I told you that tomorrow it will be a big party. Tomorrow will be a big party, very big party. Yes, so guys, kindly let's, we are today was no, I'm just a vlog.
Oh, you are working. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is Kasasi here, guys.
Kasasi.
And we started our work of today. The routine of us was about
cleaning. Make sure that we make cleaners.
Yes.
So I was and Jamaican boy and he left.
Yeah. Not that I left you.
Yeah.
But I come to take water.
Oh, you was even me. I'm going up to take water.
Yeah, but I was going around the compound of grandma.
Yeah.
And I have come to neighbor.
Oh, so yeah, the neighborhood.
There is no water in the grandma place.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I've got to neighbor.
The neighborhood. So let me go then, guys, to go and check them. Maybe they can give me water.
Yes.
Then I will come there. Then we'll have more to talk about.
Make sure you do hurry.
Okay, I will do that.
Yes. Do hurry, guys. Do hurry. This is the concrete. Yes. This is the concrete. You can see here for the is busy.
Show them.
Yes. See how.
Show them the show.
See how they are busy here. Me too, I'm busy, but me, I'm a place of cleanness.
Cleanliness.
Yeah, cleanness. Me, I'm a place of cleanness. You know me, I'm volunteer. Yeah, so I'm going to. Yeah, man. How are you? Yeah, you know I've ever story with the Mapopo. I really had Mapopo, but today I can see Mapopo is here.
Live.
Mapopo is here live.
Yeah,
guys.
man, himself, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, Mapopo?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yes.
How are you also?
I'm very nice.
Okay.
Very good, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, my name is Mapopo23. Mapopo23.
Mapopo
Yeah, man.
23.
Yeah, I'm a content creator, comedian, musician inside.
Yeah.
If you want to laugh, if you want to be happy, reach me out, guys. Can see my channel.
Yeah.
You'll be smiling, you'll be laughing. You'll never watching video. You angry like you eat bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah. You angry like you want to burst.
Yeah.
You know, you're watching my video, you smile, you enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want someone. Actually, God, He give me the talent to make sure whatever you want, if you're watching my video, so that you can smile, you can laugh.
You must. Yeah, it's
very musty. You can't watching video, you angry like you want to cry.
Mapopo, you make me very happy.
Yeah, man, it's something like that.
You know, it's my first day to meet Mapopo.
Okay.
That's why you see, I'm very interested. I'm very interesting with his story. So Mapopo, you said that when someone watch your video,
yes,
he or she must.
Yeah, must to smile, laugh, and enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah. For my side, you can't watching video. You angry like you eat bomb.
Oh.
So okay, guys, my name is Mapopo, guys. Welcome to Jamaican what?
Jamaican Boy Africa.
Jamaican Boy Africa, guys. Actually, it is the first time also, by the way. He hosted me in his channel. Kindly, please. I'm so happy. I'm so very happy of you, bro.
Yeah.
And also thank you so much for hosting me in your channel. So that let me tell our people that thank you for watching this video. Actually, but my request is don't skip this video. Make sure you're watching this video till the end. And also don't skip the ads. Because remember we are here, guys, to support each other. So if you want to support us very well, make sure don't skip this video, guys, because it's amazing things inside story, you know, project, lifestyle in Africa. So make sure you show us love, guys, because even us, we fight to make sure we show you our lifestyle in Africa, Kenya. We love you so much, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's me, Mapopo. I call him Mapopo 23.
Mapopo 23.
Yeah, man, guys. My real name on YouTube. Yeah, can go reach me out. TikTok, Instagram, you know, everywhere is Mapopo only. Yeah,
every
man.
platform.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So okay, let's talk to Daniel, man.
Okay, so Mapopo, thank you, brother.
Okay.
I'm happy to meet you.
Okay.
Please, just come and work with you because I've been given information. Let me pass it through.
Yeah, so guys, that was Mapopo. And we have just we were storytelling, you know, Africa. We always happy. Like me here, I'm always happy. You know, I really want to be like a Jamaican. You know, I heard that in Jamaica there everyone must be. You know the vibe of yeah man. How are you connect? Why? I can see there you are busy working. Connect. Do work first. I'm coming. Okay, connect. Okay, guys. see here, the fuso is coming. The fuso. Sio mimi nimesema. Yeah, the fuso is coming with the sand. Yeah, sand of preparing the blocks. Sand is for... Yeah, man. Yeah, thank you because because of your support. You are watching. Yeah, see the shape of the perimeter wall. Yeah, kindly see the shape of the... I can show you the shape of the perimeter wall. Yeah, you know, we are in the final touches, guys. We are in the final touches, guys. You can see the shape. You can see the shape of the perimeter wall, guys. The way it look like from outside. Yeah, you can see it. The way it look from outside, guys. Yeah. Kindly, guys, you can see how it look like. Guys, you can see how it look like from outside. Yeah, this is the house of another neighbor. Yeah, kindly, guys, you can see how it look nice. It look nice. And you can see the people there. They are putting the rental. Yeah, they are putting the rental, yeah, to the perimeter wall so that it become very... so that it become very strong. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, this is a cow here. Yeah, this is a cow, guys. This is a cow. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, a cow is there, and this is we call it calf. Calf is the is the baby of a cow. Yeah, man. See how the village life is very sweet. Yeah, you can see there. That's the TikTok. Yeah, water. Yeah, it's water. The tuk-tuk is carrying water. Yeah, taking to the site so that the work can go on. This is the shape of perimeter wall when you are outside the perimeter wall, guys. Yeah. As you can see here, how the wall look like. The wall look like this when we are outside. Yeah. When we are outside, the wall look like this one. This is the shape of perimeter wall when we are outside. When we are outside, this is the perimeter. This is how perimeter wall look like. Yes, guys. This is the shape of the perimeter wall. This is the shape of the perimeter wall when you are outside. That's how it look. You can see this is the gate. Yeah, this is the gate, guys. This is the gate. Yeah, this is the gate. This is how it looks like. This is the gate. You can see inside there. The people is still busy. Yeah. This is the outside. This is the front of the compound. Yeah, there where I started with was a downward. Yeah, was a downward. This is the front because the gate is going to put in there. Yeah, this is the gate point. You can see here people are still working. People are still working here. Yes, you can see People are still working. Months here are still working. As me there, I'm still making the cleanness down there. Yeah, man. This is the shape. This is the shape of perimeter wall when you are outside. Outside. This is how it look like. Oh, this is how it look like. So you can see the work here is really continuing. The people are busy working here. Yeah, that the engineer of making the wall. Guys, you can see people here, they are very busy. Woza Kenny Chronicle. Yo, you can see here Ken Chronicles here is busy, yeah. Mixing the sand and cement.
Exactly.
And I can see the stone there.
Yes.
Okay, how do we call it, man?
It's called ballast.
Ballast?
To form a concrete.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a ballast to form a concrete.
Exactly.
A concrete of putting to the...
Yeah, man. To the linton.
To the linton. Yeah, linton.
Exactly.
Okay. You man, you really work hard. You all work hard, eh?
Yeah, we have to, man. In Africa.
Yeah.
We have to work hard.
You with the miles here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Now I can see here that is the MJ. Yeah. MJ underscore Gideon. Yeah, man. I can see. Hey, you people here. You know me. I'm down there. I'm really clean. I'm really cleaning there because tomorrow is a party, man. Ballast. This is ballast, and when you mix, it's concrete. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now you know tomorrow we have a very big party here.
We have a bull.
Yeah, a bull. The bull have already here.
Yeah, it will be slaughtered tonight.
Okay, you want to say that tonight we are going to be okay. The party start this night, yeah?
Yeah, it starts this night.
Yeah.
And we're gonna slaughter that big bull, guys.
Okay. Now, how can I get something like that you have so that I assist you to do this work?
Just pour that water, pour for them, bro.
I pour for water? Okay. Yeah, let me assist guys here to pour water to form concrete here. Yeah, you know me, I'm a work-hardened person. Yeah. So me, I want to pour water for them. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I can see you are everywhere, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know the work is not really being completed, but we are in the final touches, guys. We are in the final touches here. Yeah. So, yes, guys, final touches, guys. Final touches. As you can see here. Yeah, we are in the final touches. Final touches. As you can see here, this is the banana. Yeah, banana is here. This is the banana. Yeah, for tomorrow party. You know, tomorrow we'll eat everything. Tomorrow we'll eat many type of food in this area, in this place. This is another banana. You can see. This is another banana, guys. This is another banana here. As you can see. Yeah, we are cleaning the compound. As you can see here, we are cleaning the compound. Yeah, guys, we are cleaning the compound, as you can see. Yeah, man. Yeah, okay, as you can see a smoke here. Yeah, we have to burn these things here so that the compound can be clean. Yeah, you can see there is another one there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Jamaican boy.
Woza. How are you? One love. Yes,
my
man.
brother?
I'm fine.
Yes.
I can see you are here standing. With no work.
We've done the work, so the work is over. So
Okay.
As you see, we have been burning it. You see the
I can see
you
here.
can see it's burning.
Yeah.
The dirt is burning.
Yeah, that's
The dirt.
this is the dirt.
The dirt is burning.
Okay.
Chafu, we call it the
The
dirt.
dirt.
Yeah, the dirt is
Okay.
burning.
So guys, we are here. How do you prepare for tomorrow? You all, how do you prepare? Let me start with you.
Stay hungry.
I can give you a medicine of which you can take, and you come hungry, and you will eat all food that will be cooked
We
here.
have 2 cows. So
2 cows.
2 cows means there's gonna be a lot of nice meat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay hungry.
Okay.
Today I'm not gonna eat like supper.
Okay.
No dinners of today.
Today we are slaughtering 2 cows.
2 cows.
2 cows down.
2
2 cows down.
Yeah.
2 cows down today.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that is
so-
what is happening here as of today.
So guys,
This is Oseko.
Oseko
The Rastaman from Jamaica.
from Jamaica.
Yeah, someone wants to take my phone. Let me just give myself a shout out before he goes with my phone. So guys, this is your boy.
This one
This is
here.
your boy. Rastaman
twins.
is Rastaman.
Yeah,
This
man.
guys, come to my vlogs.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy together.
Yeah.
My boy over here. Yesterday you weren't around.
I wasn't.
Where were you?
You know, last day, I don't know which day can I call
It was Thursday.
It was Thursday, man. Hey, you know
The
those
work-
stone, the work was very hard.
Yeah, the work was a lot.
Yeah,
You know, the
so
first person I asked for yesterday when I came was Jamaican boy. Where is Jamaican boy? And I didn't see you. So later in the evening, I came back to your vlogs and I was trying to understand. Maybe you went to record a video somewhere else.
Okay.
But I didn't see another
didn't see
video. So I
another
was
video.
like, this gentleman was
yeah,
tired.
it's
and he
because I come tired.
didn't- Yeah, I
Yeah.
can understand those
You know,
stones
you know,
over
I go with a lot of pain.
You went
that
home
day.
with a lot?
Yeah, a lot of pain.
Yeah, those stones.
Yeah, those stone was very hard. It was very heavy.
I could say you were carrying a stone of this size.
Yes.
And those stones were very heavy, so you needed the rest. Did
So,
you take like painkillers?
Dan have tell me that there is a magaragancha down there. We have to burn it.
Where?
Oh,
Down there at the
well, there's
wall.
something you have like a.
No, this in the compound.
You said the compound there is no magaraganta.
There. I don't know. Now me, I told him I have not seen any
There is no
magaragancha.
those things there because
Do you have like
Okay,
a match?
magaragancha is a dirty. Yeah,
Yeah,
which we
that-
are correcting here and there.
I remember
Like
I've
this.
been correcting since morning. So
Yeah.
Not this one.
the magaraganta that you
Yeah.
are talking about, I've not seen them.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe down he can show you, and then you go there with matchbox and then you burn it.
Yes.
Anyways, guys,
Let
we are
him to
doing
come.
great.
Yeah.
Life is good.
Life is good. Life is good, guys. You know,
Life
life
is
is good here in the village.
It has always been good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here in the village, life is good.
What do you love most about the village?
In the village, I just love the green,
Yeah,
the
the green.
greenness. How the village is.
But you know,
very
even
good.
if you are in the city and you can afford, you can always live in a bushy area. Even in the city, if like in Nairobi you live in Karen, it's similar to this.
It's
Even
similar.
yeah, even
It's
maybe
green.
more. Very green. Even maybe even more. than what you're seeing here. Okay. Yeah, so it's just that
That's
we are
good.
poor.
That's good.
It's just that we are poor in the city we live in ghetto areas. So now we imagine that cities are always like blocks of buildings.
Yeah.
But the truth is, in the city also, if you have the money, you can always live in the best neighborhoods.
Yeah.
Anyway, so my brother,
Yeah.
what's your plan?
My plan. My
for
plan
today.
for today.
Vita baadaye bwana. Hapa tumekuja kutafuta maisha. Sio kupigana. Tumekuja kupigana. Kudaiwa sababu ya vita. Yanapigana. Haya twende. Daiwa meno moja moja meno. Kwanza huyo jamaa moja hapa alikuwa ngumi mpaka nikasema zilikuwa zinapita. Unajua kama upepo. Huyo kijana alikuwa na advantage kwa sababu alikuwa maliko juu. Alafu mwingine hakuwa tayari anaanza vita. Alikuwa bado anaona ni kama mchezo. Kama si vita. Sasa hata mimi sipendi hivyo. Sasa mimi nataka ndo tuone ngumi ya kwanza ndo tutoanisha mimi nyingine. Nimekuweka. Sasa mimi napenda hivyo. Sasa unajua yule kijana alishinda. Sasa ndio tunaona alishinda.
Okay guys, here we are doing cleanness.
But
Yeah man, we are in the final touches. Final touches. As you can see here. Yeah, the wall is being the wall is being put on the rental. Oh, sorry. I thought it was an empty. Empty. There is inside they were nails, you see? I thought it was a ball. You know, I usually kick the balls. Yeah. I love to kick balls, you see? Let me take them from downwards here. So this is the nail which they used to build this rental here. Yeah. You can see the cement. The cement have arrived there for preparing the rental.
Jamaican boy.
Africa. Yeah. How are you? Okay. Yo. I can see you are busy. Yeah man, where did I'm searching for water. I'm very thirsty. People. I'm very thirsty, my lovely people. I'm very tired, my lovely. You can see this my how do we call it, this one? Guys, how do we call this one here? Yeah? When I move, it move. How do we call these things here? You see? See. What is this? How do we call this one here? How do we call this one here? Oh, I've remember. This one we call it shadow. You move. When you move, it move. When you stop, it stop. Yeah. So now guys, yeah, we are here. And today is the final days. Yeah, as you can see, yeah man.
What guys? Yeah. Grandma is very happy. Yeah. She loves everything. Yeah. And the party has officially started. Yes. Yeah, man. Shosh. Are you happy? Yes. As you can see here, guys, yeah. My shows is very happy. Now you know she's my shows too. Yeah.
So guys, we are starting officially the party as of today. So
yeah man, big day.
Just started.
You can see how this man is very happy here. Big
hold on. This one is the one that sends.
Amazing. So what is her name?
This one, I am Shay at 6'3".
Well, guys, go follow I am Shay at 6'3". Show her some love because she has supported. Yeah, because they have
Yes, this is the Templar.
Tomorrow is the big day.
The big day I've started now.
Today is the big day.
Yeah. So we will cut the cake.
Tuko na decor basi. Live plan ilikuwa gani? Plan ilikuwa.
Acha ni record basi. Okay, so guys, we say thank you to I am Shay. Yes. She said we start the party early. So make sure you subscribe to her channel. Those who have not seen, this one.
Guys, go follow. She's at 2.59 subscribers. Let us push her to 4,000 subscribers.
I am Shay. Yeah. So we wait for the fundis to be here.
Let us wait for the fundi and the boss to come.
Yeah.
The cake is too big, everybody enjoy.
The party have started.
Your boys here, guys. The party has officially started.
Yeah, man. Welcome to the party. Make sure don't miss the party,
guys. Big things happening over here, guys. We are here live. Cake.
Right now.
Officially it's happening, guys. Big thing.
That's the vibe of Jamaica.
The vibe of Jamaica, guys.
Everyone is enjoying. Jamaica boy. Jamaica to the world. Jamaican boy Africa. We are Ken Chronicle. Jamaica. Yes. So can I go home and prepare and I come back?
You come too late, so today sleep
Or I sleep here that way. Then I go very early in the morning. And how about today? You know, I'm not
the look is still amazing.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Neighbors, see their neighbors are flabbergasted. Can you clap for the neighbors?
Where did I put my tumbler?
I have mine.
The party is
here. The party is here,
guys.
The party is here.
Yeah. Party is here.
What was inside here?
Fridge.
Oh, fridge. Yeah. And this one here is what? You can see many things here.
Amazing. You can see the work is going
guys,
on.
And this is a very nice table.
Yeah,
this is marble, guys. It looks
marble.
Good. Yeah, this is marble. It looks good.
It used for? It used for? It's a table.
This is like a table.
It's like a table, isn't it? Yeah, it's like a table. Yeah, you know,
For bedroom,
a man
for
from village.
Yeah, in the bedroom.
I don't know my table. What is my table now?
Yeah, it can be used in the bedroom.
Yeah, Nico Buddha, why? Mbona umekasirika?
So there's people here hungry.
I'm shocked, my friend. Oh, you are shocked?
I'm shocked, my friend.
Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, man.
You have to remove that shock and take inside the joy now. You know the party have already started here.
Yeah, the party started.
Yeah.
Today as well. That's why people
Yes.
having here some it's called what? Champagne?
Yeah, champagne.
Yeah, man.
We want to open the champagnes and
open
celebrate.
the champagne and party can start off.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was Nico Buddha. Yeah. Okay, you know here, man, here in the site, we have many people here right now, and then the party is going to start. You inside here? Inside here. You can enter inside.
You want me to die?
Yeah? You can die.
Let me.
Don't end up picking a tablet.
Nakuja.
Okay.
Sasa nijibu ile wa vizuri alafu ile wa ugoro simjibu na nimekuuliza swali yana tafuta subscribe so bora muwaasi kama mtu naelewa kama unaona vizuri.
Yeah, you can see is today. Today is that day we were being waiting for long, man. Yeah, today is the day which we were waiting for long day because yeah, it's afternoon. It's afternoon now, as you can see, it's evening. We are going to open. You know, today I'm going to sleep inside here. Yeah, today I'm going to sleep in here, and you can see this very nice kabati here. Yeah, here is a very nice kabati. Yeah, as you can see here, guys. Yeah, the day is good. The day is very good. Yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you for making me happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you. This is the finally we have reached the end. Finally, we have reached here the end. You can see there people are very happy. People are happy. Yeah, people are very happy. Yeah, people are very happy. People are very happy. People are very happy, guys. Yeah. People are very happy here. People are very happy here. You can see here, people is very happy. Yeah. You tell me. You tell me, bro.
Happiness.
The word of the day is happiness.
Yeah. My brother.
Yes, guys, this is Brother Dagi. Hold your camera good.
Yes.
Welcome our good friends, our good people to the channel. I'm Brother Dagi. Yeah, we are here at Brian's home. We are supporting our brother. I am Marwa.
Yeah.
This is finding Ian. We are here also together.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm happy you people to appear to my camera.
That is true, man.
Ian, my friend,
Brother
Dagi here.
Yeah, we are here together, man.
Yeah.
Trying to fix things together. We are happy all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, man. All right. So guys, here we are here. Busy celebrating. We have started to celebrate. Yes, guys, we have started to celebrate. Okay, kindly guys, make sure you watch till the end. And you can see here, everyone is happy. Everyone.
Mambo ni live.
Things are live.
Kila kitu saizi ni live.
Mambo ni live.
Tuko kwa ground.
Ground vitu ni tofauti. Yeah man.
Hatujaweka vitu.
Na bado. Thank you so much.
Okay guys. This is Nation 1 here.
Yeah man.
So we are here and this is a pre-party.
Yeah man.
Pre-party. Yeah, we have not now started the party.
We are warming up, eh?
Yeah, we are warming up.
Tumepasua balloon.
Yeah.
Kuna makeki huko juu. Oh guys, I'm sorry.
Guys, let me use this.
Some cakes over there.
Cakes, yeah.
Things are ready.
Yeah, things are ready.
Yeah.
And we are going to cut the cake right now.
Yeah.
We are waiting for Boss Maro to come.
Yeah.
And we started party.
Official.
Today I'm not going home. Okay. I'm sleeping here, right?
Even me.
You see, yeah?
You see, nimekuwa za kazi.
Yeah, we were at work, but we are here.
Guys, I'm sorry I'm using this by like a mirror. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I'm leaving here on Monday. You know, brother, who is this called the Kizo? Kizo tell me a man don't have to shower. I don't have to take shower. So I'm going to use that proverb that I'm going not to take shower. I'm going to stay here. Yeah, up to Monday. Mwanaume jasho lazima.
A man must smell sweat.
Yeah. But me I have to take shower, guys. You know, taking shower is very nice thing.
It brings healthy.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So we are waiting for this one.
Yeah.
Mambo ni live,
guys. Mambo ni live hapa, guys. Me, I don't want to go there.
Okay.
Because I was a volunteer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ukienda huko mtakosana na mama.
Maybe I need.
Came here, my evening.
Big bungal.
You remember the first day we came here to measure the house?
Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, we measure house we busy until the finish. We just left here when they're doing roofing. Then I go to work on my side, but I came here and was surprised to find something very new look. And I didn't expect that the plan will work like that. Look at how
the actual plan was that the avocado tree would remain inside the house.
Yeah, man.
Today we have the Nembo.
So here we're gonna call him. We call him. It's late.
So that's why we're gonna put revolution now.
Yeah, it's a party time, you know. You can see the grandma how is happy, very, very happy. Very, very happy. Bana. Tunaenda mbali jamani. Yeah, man. Here you can see even Resio is here. Yeah.
Ndio masaki bwana.
Party started.
What is wrong?
Party started officially, guys. Yes, party. Guys.
Party after party. Party after party. Hey. Party after party. Hey. Party after party. Hey. Party after party. Hey.
So, before we cut the cake,
let's
wait for marwa. Yes. Where is marwa?
Where is marwa?
Where is marwa?
Let's wait. Oh, marwa is down there.
Baba Mitoto. Baba Mitoto.
Baba Maisha.
Baba Mitoto. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for
Rudi nyuma tu kamera wa film. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Brand keep quiet. Watoto wakae chini.
Guys, are you ready?
Yes! Igwe!
Wait.
Shika hivi Ian.
Yes, we can open.
Pole guys, pole.
Brian. Tulieni hapo kidogo.
Tulia. Hautaki nyinyi.
Marwa Igwe. Shake it.
Be careful. Be careful.
Pressure imensa.
Yes, guys.
This is a
pale. Rafiki wa. Ona. Kwa rafiki wa grandma.
Kakitende kuya mpaka neree keki.
This is a mini celebration. We are opening majumba na magari, mafriji, makabati, too much chicken, too much cow. Everything here is bombardier. So guys, if you watch it, look at even we are feared this
Keki is very happy.
Tuende sasa. Daniel. Kesho ama unaona? Kesho.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Okay guys, for today I can say bye bye. Yeah, we shall meet in the next video. Bye. For today, bye.
Bye guys.
You see a cake, man. Hey.
Let's see you guys tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow guys. Next video. Yeah, man.
Yes. Me, I feel like you have a half of Jesus.
Yes,
too
it's
much
true.
blood of Jesus.
God has decided.
Yes, yes.
To bless too much blood.
Yeah. So what can you say as a fake friend? Say something. Yeah. Today we are here with Marwa, and tomorrow we are bringing amazing
6 in the morning.
6 in the morning.
Yes, the party
so guys, party starts officially. Yes. Yeah, keep watching guys. We love you so much. Oh, Yes, me I'm here. Okay guys, and subscribe to my fake friend's channel. And we are ending the video. Yeah. Say something. Yeah guys, subscribe. This is a fake friend, but he has already come in our life. What can we do? What can we do?
Yeah, man.